Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, I am Muhammad Iqbal Zulkarnain. How is it going? How is everything? I hope you just doing fine. Inshallah, alhamdulillah. Now we meet again and we will learn about how to sneeze properly. Let's check it out. A sneeze is a sudden burst of air expelled from the lungs through the nose and mouth. Artinya, bersin itu merupakan semburan udara yang dikeluarkan lewat paru-paru, kemudian keluar melalui hidung dan mulut. Number 1. Cover your nose and mouth with a thick tissue. Practicing respiratory etiquette, covering your mouth and nose, washing your hands, etc. can help reduce the chance you will get anyone else sick. Make sure to dispose of your used tissues right away to help prevent them from spreading your germs. Thick tissue, tissue tebal, respiratory etiquette, etika bersih, reduce, mengurangi, change, kesempatan, make sure, pastikan, dispose, menyingkirkan, use tissues, tisu bekas, right away, segera, prevent, menghindari, spreading, menyebarkan, germs, kuman-kuman. Number 2. Sneeze into your below. If you don't have a tissue, the best way to catch your sneeze is to bend your elbow and hold it close to your face while sneezing. Sneeze, bersin, elbow, siku, tisu, catch your sneeze, menutup bersin, bend, membengkokkan, hold it, menahannya, while sneezing, jika bersin. Number 3. Don't sneeze into your hands. Even though your hands might contain the sneeze, think about how many things you will have touched with them. You will only be spreading germs around as you touch things. Even thoughts, walaupun atau meskipun, contain, menahan atau menyimpan, spreading germs, menyebarkan kuman-kuman, touch things, menyentuh segala sesuatu. Number 4. Wash your hands. Whenever you sneeze, it is very important to get rid of any residual germs by washing your hands with soap and water right away. This is especially important if you sneeze into your hands or into a tissue. Wash, cuci, get rid of, menyingkirkan, residual germs, bakteri-bakteri kuman, right away, sesegera mungkin, especially important, sangat penting. Sneeze into your hands, bersin di kedua telapak tanganmu, tisu. Number 5. Stay away from people. Sneezes can come on unexpectedly, and no one expects you to keep your distance from other people at all times, just in case. If, however, you are sick and are sneezing a lot, do your best to give other people some space. Stay away, menjauh, unexpectedly, tanpa disangka, all times, tiap waktu. If, however, you are sick, jika bagaimanapun ketika kamu sakit, sneezing a lot, seringkali bersin, do your best, lakukan yang terbaik, some space, menjaga jarak.